Good evening, all of you. In this video, we are going to talk about the Nimhans entrance examination of 2025, which is going to be scheduled or which is already scheduled for the 25th of May 2025. Okay, so how you can prepare in the next 2 days, most probably, and how you need to study and what you need to focus right now, and it is a little less amount of time, almost 48 hours, and in this 48 hours what you need to do is, first of all, don't panic. Okay, it's just an examination, no need to panic. And if you have prepared very well since 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years, there are people giving 3 years, 4 years like madly, but still it's okay. It's part of the, what we can say, game of this MPhil clinical psychology preparation. But if you are giving Nimhans 2025 and if you have might have studied a lot, and also you might have just started or you have just been preparing from past 2 to 3 months, so how you should revise, what books you need to focus on, and what to read from those books. Okay, it's not the right time to read everything from those books, but what precisely you need to study, what you need to revise, we will talk about in this particular video. And a caution that don't attempt any mock test as of now. It's not the correct time for the last 48 hours that you will start giving mocks and doing all those things. Okay, so don't give mock for next 48 hours. Just try to consume a lot and revise that as much as possible. Okay, whatever mock test, whatever questions you have to be, you were preparing, give it rest, give it some pause, give it some stop or stoppage, and don't do any mock sort of mocks for the next 48 hours. The right time for you to do is to consume as much as possible and consume from the very best materials that are available for you. Okay, and I have already discussed in previous videos which books you need to focus on: A, B, C, N, F book. Okay, A, B, C, N, F book are the books which you need to refer right now. And the question in Nimhans can come from any general psychology portion. Even they can ask about the research, statistics, and psychological testing. Yes, testing you should focus on types of neuropsychological tests, types of aptitude, batteries, and all those things are very, very important. Okay, they can even ask about the intelligence scales and all those things. Okay, so testing, as compared to research, testing is more important for you because you would be one of those who will be into this scoring and making tests and those things like that. Okay, so we will quickly wrap this video because I don't want you to waste any more single minute or any more single time. So first of all, we will start with the C book, which is very, very important, by Sondra K. Ciccarelli, and you need to study what you need to study, whatever the glossary is giving you, whatever the glossary is serving you, the last 2 to 3 4 pages, whatever those pages are, you just need to go through that again and again. Okay, so that you don't forget any basic concept. Okay, even they can ask you which of the following is not a long term memory. Okay, they will give you options, and there will be people who will miss in this also. Okay, so you might have studied about paranoid, what is schizoid personality disorder and all those things, but they will not ask that. They will ask just simple that is autobiographical memory or episodic memory is a part of LTM or not, and you should not miss in that particular context. Okay, so whatever is given in the glossary of your C book, the A book, the N book, and the F book, you should go through all these. And if you have that book by that guy for counseling, I am not able to recall the name right now, I guess Gladding it is. If you are having this counseling, you can go with the RCI Act as well. Okay, because Nimhans used to ask this thing, they ask about this RCI Act. So don't worry, there will be only one or two odd questions. Okay, but majority chunk 90-95 questions will be coming from here only. They will range from the very basic to the very advanced level for you. Okay, depending upon what they are currently in mood to ask, because anyways you're not going to have the question paper, you will have just those random questions coming up right in front of you. So what you need to do is, on that day you just need to be calm, you just need to focus on the basics. That is pretty much required. You need to focus on the basics because the cutoff last time was around 85, 86, 87, like that. It has always been the same case because the question is, they are not going to ask you difficult topics. Okay, they are going to ask you some basic concepts and those concepts which you might have never heard of. Okay, and they will be basically from these acts and some movies or research and all those things. Okay, so no need to worry, majority of chunk will be coming from here only, and they will focus on the very most basic versions of these. Okay, so whatever glossary is serving you right now, the glossary is the best to revise a lot of things in quick period of time, in a short period of time for the next 48 hours. Make sure that you are opening the glossary, make sure you are reading the black or bold words that are given in your textbook. Okay, the bold words, make sure that you revise that, make sure that you read that again and again, and it will eventually help you in the exam hall of 25th May, on 25th of May 2025. Okay, you know, don't need to study anything new, just follow the basic framework, the ABCNF book. Okay, just do this much. You have watched previous videos also. This is for your research, AK Singh, this is for the Baron, this is for the Cicerelli, this is for the Neeraj Ahuja, and this is for your fish clinical psychopathology. Okay, so do the basics, whatever is in the glossary, and I have shown in previous videos as well. Schizophrenia, see, definitely they are going to ask about schizophrenia. There is no chance that they will not ask about the schizophrenia. There will be questions on positive symptom, maybe negative symptom, or what is flat effect, things like that. Okay, they will definitely ask you about cognitive theory, I mean the cognitive development by Jean Piaget. Okay, they will definitely ask you about personality. Okay, what is extraversion, Ocean, Big Five factor, Robert McRae Costa. They will definitely ask you on these lines. Okay, so what you need to do is just cover the basic portion right now for the next 48 hours, so that you don't miss on the easy marks. Okay, I don't want you to miss the easy marks that are coming right in front of you, and you might miss cutoff. That should not be the case because of these easy sort of questions. Okay, so I will end this video right now. Just focus on the glossary portion, revise it again and again, memorize it as much as possible, as much as you can. This will eventually help you on 25th of May, but majority of portion what you have been doing from past 2 3 4 5 6 maybe 12 months, that will be the majority of portion, whatever knowledge you have accumulated right now, and whatever you can revise, whatever you can study in this short period of time, 48 hours. Okay, but this 48 hours are not completely for your revision. Maybe many of you might be traveling from here to here, maybe from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to till here Manipur, Mizoram. People will be from all over India, not world. So make sure that you are traveling safely, securely, despite the conditions going out currently in the country. But make sure that you reach on time before 1 or 2 hours earlier in the exam center. And don't panic, be calm, revise the glossaries and all those things. And wish you all the very best for the upcoming examination of your 25th of May 2025. If you can remember the questions from these paper, make sure that you are submitting or you are sending the type of memory questions you can remember on the mail ID provided below in the description. Okay, all right, so once again, all the very best to all of you. Make sure that you utilize these 48 hours very bestly, I mean very nicely for you, so that you crack this time only. All right, thank you very much and have a nice exam ahead. I wish all of you qualify, but that is not going to happen. But still, all of you must give your best, give your 100,000% in the upcoming examination. And questions will be from here only, just 2, 3, 5, 6 odd questions, which will be bumping out from anywhere. But you don't need to worry about that. Just worry about the basic questions which you don't want to miss. Okay, just like I will ask you if you know who has given this biological preparedness, and you will be shocked to know who has given this biological preparedness. Have you studied about this? Do you know the answer without doing Google after this video? Do you know the answer for this? Who has given this term about biological preparedness? If yes, comment down below without doing the Google thing, and don't do the Google thing. They can give you wrong answers as well sometimes. So be aware, read from the best books and study from the best which you are having right in front of you. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. And yes, comment if you know, and if you don't know, please comment no, I don't know, I have to Google. Okay, and then you can go and Google it. Okay, but if you know, comment it. If you don't know, still you comment it, so that you will eventually learn that there are a lot of things which you are unaware of and which you need to learn by reading some of the best books available with you. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.